Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. Today we'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So we'll be picking cards for your career situation, your relationship, and your daily guidance, guys. So these cards may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a guidance for this is for your daily guidance, guys. So we'll open that card at last. So this is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and these cards are a loving guidance, guys, the oracle's guidance. So what we need to do in our work situation or in our relationship to make things better, so we have to relate to these cards in such a way. So for your career, what is the card? Community. So in your work situation, guys, you have to build that sense of community, or that friendliness, that working together as a team, belonging to a group. That is what this card is about. So we are part of a group, a family, community, and whatever part we play, it may be a small part or a large part, but the important fact in this is that our presence is the most important thing. So when we are a part of this community, we bring in that sense of belonging, and we move towards teamwork. So in your career situation, there may be people with you, your mentors or your team leaders or your employees or your business partners, whoever it is. You are working with like-minded people. When you work with like-minded people, you are working towards powerful opportunities in your work situation, guys. That way you will be able to reap greater benefits. So instead of thinking what can I get from this group, from these people, you have to think what you can do to that group. So when you think that way, it will open doors to more greater opportunities, guys. So sometimes when you are working with people, you have to be clear about the role you play. So whatever is the role you choose for yourself, you have to be true to it. So sometimes you need to say no when you cannot do something. So you have to be authentic, guys. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about. So being a part of the group just does not mean that you have to do everything for everyone. It just means that you have to play your role effectively in that team. So when you do that, you will get a greater feeling of accomplishment, and you will know your purpose in your work situation and in your life also. So that is what I see here. And what is the card for your relationship, Libras? Regeneration. So for your relationship, guys, some second chances or second opportunities are coming your way. Maybe you would have thought that some things are dead, no longer there, those feelings or those relationships, but you may be getting second chances at it. Maybe certain relationships, or it may be a new relationship, but something better than the past. So something coming your way, guys. That is what I see here. And the reason is because certain things are destined in our life, that will always come about, guys. So whatever is destined for us will always happen. So whatever you have lost in the past, maybe some sad endings in your relationship, you are at this stage in your life where you are going to enjoy that new life force, the rekindling of those emotions, those strong emotions that you would have felt in the past. So something new coming your way, guys, in your relationships, some new opportunities or some new chances in having a deep relationship with somebody, and which would be much better than before. That is what I see here. So whatever that was lost in the past, you must let it go sometimes. So life will bring us a better and new opportunities for us. That is what this card is about. So you may be getting a second chance in your relationship with the person with whom you would share a even more meaningful relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about for you guys, this oracle's guidance. So what is the card for your general energies? The meaning of this card, guys, you should let go of your past, whatever you were afraid of, whatever you were struggling over, you were grieving over, all that you should let it go, because some new things are coming your way, some new relationship is coming your way. That is what this is about. So for your daily guidance, guys, to be fair, so this is your daily guidance card, guys. With this card, the energy is that you have to have that balance in your life, guys. So whatever the situations may be, in your work situation or in your relationship, so life offers so many experiences. Some are challenging, some are nourishing, but over time we will be able to strike a balance. So we will get understanding. So all those experiences are necessary for us for our personal growth. So we don't have to be judgmental about these experiences. So we will get what we have sowed. So if you have done something good, you will always get something good. But if you do something bad, we have to know that we will surely reap some bad consequences in life, guys. So even in our relationship, we have to go for that harmonious, balanced relationship, and way to do that is we have to remain open, and we have to remain open to the other person's suggestions and their views and ideas and actions, whatever it is. We have to be able to say what we think. The same way we should listen to the other person. So with this person, that person should feel valued in this relationship, respected. So only that way you will be fair in this relationship, and even in your work situation, guys. So if you are working with people, your business partners or your employees, so each and every one of you will have to be compensated for their work. Then you will reach that balance and justice in your work situation, guys. So that is the truth, and when you do that, you will see things are going towards a better change in your life, Libras. And that is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Libras. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.